you look at the assessed value or the market value of the structure that you're working on, and you can get an independent appraisal for the structure that you're working on. But if you go to the assessor's card on the assessor's website, there's listed out the value of the building. It's not the value of the land, it's the value of the building by itself. So in this case, this building is worth $345,000. If you do work in excess of 50% of that value, so essentially $172,500, if you exceed that price for any of the construction costs of your renovation or your additions, you fall into what is called a substantial improvement. And if you fall into a substantial improvement, the entire structure needs to be brought up to code requirements for that flood zone. So it's very important as designers, as architects, as builders, to understand the limitations of what you can do without triggering that substantial improvement requirement.